As a new course author, you've likely heard about something called a SCORM file. But what does it mean? SCORM stands for Shareable Content Object Reference Model. These are basically an e-learning course designed in a course authoring program that has been compressed into a downloadable file. Effectively, SCORM files are zipped e-learning courses. These files can be uploaded to compatible learning management systems, which interpret all the data you entered while building your course and allow your course to be taken on different platforms. SCORM files also communicate with your LMS about user analytics, tracking and reporting learner progress and interaction with your course. Want to learn more about everything SCORM files can do for you? Get a full rundown of SCORM in the How to Create an Online Course Masterclass. Click the link below and get started today.